A huge winter storm hit northern Arizona late this February, and Ryan was ready to go and check it out. He knew there would be stranded motorists in ditches, so he grabbed an extra tow rope and headed north on I-17 in his Jeep Wrangler. He ended up rescuing several cars that day. After rescuing the BMW, he turned around and headed back up the mountain and ended up in a traffic jam. Ryan didn't know what was causing the traffic jam, but he wanted to go check it out and make sure it wasn't a car that he could help get out of the way. He took the express route on the shoulder and eventually found out it was a couple of 18-wheelers that caused the traffic jam. Ryan knew he couldn't help 18-wheelers, so he continued to drive just past them to help a truck that had managed to get stuck on the shoulder of the highway. It took several attempts to help the stranded truck, but eventually Ryan was able to get him unstuck, and the truck proceeded to drive in reverse up the mountain. Ryan headed out once again to find anybody that might need help. He found a car in need and pulled over. The next car in need was an Audi. The man tried to trade Ryan for his Jeep, but Ryan declined the offer because he doesn't like German cars. Footage of getting this guy unstuck was lost as the camera lost power at the jerk that took place when Ryan pulled him out. Ryan looked for more cars to rescue, but everyone seemed to be okay at that point, and he carried on into Sedona.
Let's see if we can find a back road.
After leaving Sedona, Ryan was looking to head north towards Flagstaff, but I-17 was closed. He found a back road on Google Maps and decided to try that.
So I decided to get around a blockage on the interstate to take this back road.
He didn't realize the dangerous road that was ahead, and after a few seconds of being right next to a steep cliff, he realized the dangerous road he was on and slowed down. He was nervous driving on this road, as to his right was a steep drop-off and he was navigating this narrow road in the snow.
I've been on some pretty gnarly roads with some pretty big cliffs and shit, but not in the snow. Not in this.
Once he got past the gnarly part of the road, he continued to head towards the interstate.
What is going on here? Okay, I need to back up. Please don't get stuck. Please don't get stuck. Just please don't get stuck. Going on. Whoa, okay. Oh, there's the last person turned around. Right there. Okay. No, you cannot be stuck in reverse. Okay. Oh my gosh. Made it.
Ryan is now on the interstate and headed back to Phoenix.